Hi everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome to my crafty corner. I'm taking part in the 3-month collaboration with Jayne, who is the Crafting Shed Davis on YouTube, and this 3 months it is everything or all things butterflies and birds. So I'm doing butterflies this time, and instead of doing a card, I thought for a change I'd do one of these hangings. And I've got quite excited because I realised when I'd done some at Christmas, I'd already painted and Mod Podged some, so I got one spare. Right, should have done this before. I'm always saying that, aren't I? Should have done this before. Need to split my napkins. These are actually tissues. These were a pack of tissues that I had. It's coming apart now. Oh, there's 4 on these. 3 white layers, and I suppose you need more when you're doing your nose. If in doubt, get the tape out. There we go. Still can't get over it properly. There we are. I've got the other one to do as well. I'll do that one in a minute. I'll do this side first. Right, so there's my hole. Where am I going to put these? I think I'll put it that way. There's my baking parchment. My iron's heated up. Let's just double check it's fastened down all on the edges. Yep, that's nice. Right, so that's there. Let's do this one as well. Oh, I think this one's coming apart quite easily, except that last layer, which is typical. There we go. Right, so that's the top. There's the hole there. It's going to go right through butterfly. We'll do it that way. A little bit more that way, so that's there. Okay, and we'll do this side. Check that. That's all on nicely, and it's really rather hot. Put my iron down there and unplug it. So I don't think, I don't need that anymore. Just put a hole through. And then snip off the edges. Snippy snip snip. Come here. Am I back to the beginning? I think I am at that side. I'll do the same at this side. Nearly there. I think that's that. Get rid of all these little bits. Now I need nail file. Just gonna tidy up the edges. And you see the bits coming off. I'm just doing this side first. Now we'll do this side. Make sure it's quite cleanish, well, clean-ish. There we go. That's that one there. Get rid of these bits. Now, put the little emery board away. I don't know whether to give it a coat of Mod Podge on top. I could do glitter Mod Podge. I've got glitter Mod Podge. Yeah, I shall put some glitter Mod Podge on and then we'll let it dry. I'll do the other side. Right, I'll put this on first. Where's my nice brushes? Where are they? Here they are. Makeup brush. And this is, oops, lovely, it's got glitter in it. Let me hold it up. You can see the glitter, hopefully. Should have started in the middle and come on outside so that we don't ruin the napkin. Oop. Got it on my finger. It gives it a layer of protection. Let's see if that's all covered. I can see that it is. Apart from a bit there. Right. I'm going to let that dry and do the other side and then I'll be back. Okay, so it's dry. It's had 2 coats. No, it hasn't. It's had 1 coat, one on each side. And also, when I was preparing this, I put one of the sheets of one of the sheets of part of the napkin, sorry, tissue, onto some white card, and I've just fussy cut out some of the butterflies that I covered as well with Mod Podge, the glitter Mod Podge. I'm just looking to see if I've got another one of those, but no, not really. Anyway, right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this, I think, as the front. And I'm going to let's glue that one on, and that one on. Just give them a bit of dimension. Now, where's my glue? Oh, come on. Quite a bit of glue on. I don't want them sticking right up. Not too far anyway. Right. I'll go there like that. And we've got a bit of dimension going on. Oops. Oh, you can see that. Got a bit of dimension. Now this one. Bit of glue. Fold, fold. And then there's this little one over here. Oh, not in camera, sorry. Put you there. And then I think we might put some on the other side. I've not cut the antennas out because they were fiddly little things. Oh, I haven't got another one to go on there. Should I cut? Wow, I've only got one to go on there. Oh, I've got that one. I can have that one. I'll cut that one out. Cut his legs off. Oh, poor thing. Poor thing. Oh, that went on the floor. So I'm just fussy cutting. Oh, quiet, concentrating. That's a half butterfly anyway, so I'm just gonna put some just on the body. Oh, it's the wrong way around. Oh, but look, I can do that. No. bugger. Wrong way around. It would have to be that one. Oh, I didn't realise. Silly me. Oh well. Here we go again. Right, got it. Edge missing really on this one, but hey. Right, okay, that's that. Can we put that on anywhere? We could put it on there, but it means it'll be standing up a bit like that. No. We could put that there. That there. No, we'll leave it just as it is. Right. So that's fine. Now, I'm just going to finish the edges off with a bit of gilding paste. I'm just going to put some on my finger, I think. Or should I use a bit of sponge? A bit of sponge. Spongy wongy. Little bits of sponge here. And here, let's see. Just use the edge of that. Let's just use the edge of this. Yeah, it's a bit green, but only there. Okay, let's see if I can take it from inside the lid. No, it's dry inside the lid. We'll see. Oh, it's doing it. Very thick stuff, this. I'm just doing the edge and then I'll do the edges, if you know what I mean. I'm using gold because there's gold on the butterflies. It's dog hair. I'm just going over the edge a bit to like distress it, but with the gold. Instead of using my, what's that, vintage photo distress ink. I will do this side. Okay, that'll do. Now, I've got some ribbon. I'm going to use this one. that fluff. Oh, it's come from that one. Okay. See if I can thread this through. Let's cut it. Right. I think I'll just knot it on the top. Just do a double knot there. Looks okay. I think I might just open it a wee bit and put some glue in there just to hold it tight. Just put a dab of glue in there. And then it's missed. Oh well. That'll dry. It'll dry. Now I'll just tie the end. If I can. All fingers and thumbs. Just give it a bit of a tail on the end, and there's my little decoupage butterflies wall hanging. Zhuzh the wings up a bit. Have it on either side. I'll put glue right down there. I didn't mean to. But anyway, so there we are. There's my little All Things Butterflies for Jayne, who is the Crafting Shed Davis's collaboration. I hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up and a share. Check out everybody else's who's listed below, everybody else's projects that they've done. And thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. See you next time.